Hey everybody, welcome back. I just learned a really neat tip for Lightburn today that I think is going to be really helpful with some schools that we're going to be working with. This is better than a piece of paper as a checklist or something like that because it's going to show up right on the screen in Lightburn when you go to send a job to your laser. So here I have just a very simple job. I just typed a word. I did another shape around it as a cut so that I had something on the screen. And we're going to send this to the laser. And boom, this awesome little window pops up with whatever I choose to put in there. So for our setup, we have external air and I have fans that I also have to control. So I need to make sure that I've turned my air compressor on. I need to make sure that I've turned my exhaust fan on. Did I focus and did I set the correct origin in Lightburn and on my machine? If I say yes, cool, it sends the job over to my laser just like normal. Um, if not, then I click no and I can make the changes or do that pause to, okay, let me turn my air on, let me turn my exhaust fan on, check my focus, whatever the things that I had a moment and I forgot to do because we've all been there. And sometimes you forget things. So let me show you guys where you can find that so that you can set it up for yourself if it's something that you think you need. So at the top of Lightburn, you're going to see the device settings. So it's this the tool, the wrench, and the excuse me, the screwdriver. And in here, you're going to see under the general options, I'm running the 1.7.04 version of Lightburn. You're going to toggle on enable job checklists and then click edit, and then there you can put in whatever things work for your workflow that you need to make sure that you need to turn on. You may need to make sure that you turn on your chiller or whatever. You may always mask your projects, so you say you want to have masking or whatever. Any of the things that will help you with your workflow before you start your job, have them listed here. Then just click OK, click OK again, and again, like we just did, we'll click send, boom, it pops up. Did we check our air? Is our fan on? Our focus, our origin, all of the things. Yes, cool. All right, let's go. Let's send it to the laser. So for a lot of us that have been doing this for a long time, it's not, maybe not something that we need to do. It'll probably get annoying or whatever. But I think for classroom settings, maybe makerspaces, somewhere that it's not always the same one person using the machine, these are things that you need to remind people, or if people aren't using the machines every single day. And we need to have these reminders in there of, hey, did you guys do these things? Let's make sure we do these things. So I hope you guys find this helpful like I did. Let us know if there's anything else we can help with. Have a great day.